focus on yourself. I am the chosen one, but I'm not the only one. Each chosen one have a different purpose. But sometimes they forgot. They forgot because a lot of distraction around. So that's why people always tell you to focus on yourself and believe in nature. Take your ass to the nature. It's always welcome you. When I'm in the nature like this, this is just trees under the bridge, but still nature. Tree is nature, so it doesn't matter. It's under the bridge right now. A lot of distraction. To prevent you from your higher self. But be strong. Be who you are. Be yourself. And listen to 432 hertz music. Say no with 440 hertz music. Download 432 hertz music player, then you can chill with poor music. Say no to 5G. Say no to porn video or any pornographic. Say no to masturbate. Say no to trending on social media. You can use social media, but you have to be really focused on yourself and figure it out which is fake, which is real. Because the fake news is like more than 90% on the internet right now. If you want to find the real news, you have to go to the deep web. I think so. It's like you see people around you, they go into work, they go in to do the thing like every day they do. They go to get money. That's what you see. You see people on the street all day, but nothing happened. That's all you can see. But deep down, when they come back home, you don't know what the fuck had happened, right? You never know. Yo, what's up? I'm just a young boy come from Hanoi, Vietnam, who can speak English, who can feel that, who get inspired by a lot of YouTuber, then making videos about meditation, about how to take care of yourself. I'm still a student about it. I'm still learn more about the everything, like meditation, like something like that. I'm trying to practice. I'm not perfect. Nobody perfect, right? But everybody gotta die. So just don't give a fuck. Live your life. Focus on yourself. Love yourself. Give yourself always in a high. Just keep it always be you. I'm not here to take any responsibility for anyone. I'm not talking about anything about any organization, or I don't give a fuck about religion. I don't give a fuck about government or anything like that. I'm just worried. I don't worry about nothing. I'm just trying to do my best life. Just trying to live my best life. To find who I am in this world, to become somebody, to become the chosen one, yeah, the chosen one. But I'm not the only one. No disrespect to anyone, but everything around you is distraction. Go to school, your friend, no disrespect, but your parent, everything, your phone, everything you see on the internet, on the news, everything is fake, man. Stop it. Stop reading news. Stop watching TV. Stop watching for other people. Watching yourself, man. Ain't that hard to understand? It's easy to understand, right? Man. I believe in that when you love yourself enough, everything around you gonna love you. Everything you want is going to chasing you. That time you just have to pick what you want. You have to pick what you need. You don't have to chase anything. When you realize you know who you are, This is not me. This is just a physical form of me. I'm not white. I'm not Asian. I'm not black. I'm not Vietnamese. I'm not American. I'm not Chinese. I'm not Thailand. I'm not Japanese. I'm human. And I'm trying to live my best life. I'm speaking for myself. And try to inspire who watching this. I don't give a fuck what you say. I don't care, okay? I just give a fuck who really love themselves. That time I'll give them respect. Who truly love themselves and don't give a fuck about social media. That's the person I respect. Who really focus on themselves, really take care of themselves. That's the person I'm respect. This is my bicycle. Bicycle. Man, I'm still practice speaking English. It's not good yet, but it's gonna be good. Trust me. See you on the next videos. I'm going to practice meditation. I'm going to be practice more. This take time. It's like everything you do, you have to work on it and really focus on something. Look at this guy. I was in my room for a long time. No lie. Until I watch a videos from some YouTuber, they say, get your ass out of nature. Then I get myself to the nature. And making videos, I get inspired, so I just wanna inspire somebody. That's simple. No more. Don't want to get any nut. I do it for myself. Look at me. This is my 5th day on the nature. My 5th day, really take time for myself. And try to stay out of everything. Just only something inside me tell me to do. Just do what I want to do. That's it. I'm not smoking weed no more. I'm not drinking alcohol. I'm not watching porn. And sometimes smoke weed is good, man, but not too much. Sometimes, you know, chilling, meditation, but not so much. For me, I'm like, when I have a vacation somewhere, you know, I take 1-2 hit. That's it. Not every day, man. Every day is shit. Every day gonna make you lazy, shit. It's gonna make you like, it's gonna make you going lazy. You don't wanna do anything. Get your ass out of the house, man. Social media is a trap. They're just trying to make your money. Everything is money and sex. For real. I'm not talking about any, I don't give a shit about any organization, you know. But if they wanna fuck with me, you know, this gonna protect me. The good energy everywhere. They cannot fuck with me. For anything like something I don't understand, you know. I'm not perfect. I'm not good at all. I'm not bad at all. I'm just me. I'm just trying to be me. I'm not trying to be a good person. I'm not trying to be a bad person. I'm just trying to live my best life. That's all. I'm not here to be to entertain you. I'm not here to satisfy you. I'm not here to be your friend. I'm not here to be enemy. I'm just here. I'm just talking to my phone most of the time. You can say I'm practicing speaking English, but no disrespect. Love yourself. If they wanna fuck with me, any organization that how big it is, fuck them. I don't give a shit. I say what I say, what I think. I learn. I say what I learned. You have to take a responsibility from yourself first, and after that, your family, your friend, you can have them. But after that, you gotta take a responsibility for yourself first. That's a must. You have to be a better version of yourself, the best of yourself. Do not compare to anyone. Do not. You just learn from them. Do not copy them. Learn from them and do your own way. To make everything, the energy from nature, the information from everything you learn, from yourself. You have to feel yourself, meditation, and you going to put it everything to put yourself up. You don't need anyone advice. You already know everything. You know everything. or you don't know nothing. You don't know nothing about it. You know everything or you know nothing. You just choose what to do. You can choose you want to know everything, or you can choose you don't want to know nothing. For me, I'm not choosing. I'm just stay here and the information just come on me naturally. I'm stay in the middle. Everything. And I'm finding a girlfriend that when I find a girlfriend, a girl, that girl must be don't give a shit about social media. That girl must be love herself. That girl must be independent. And that girl must be love me. Because I love myself. Because I'm the chosen one. Because I'm not the only chosen one. Not because I don't have to worry about other chosen one. All the other chosen one have their own purpose. I don't care. I'm just care about myself. That's kind of, selfish, But you have to be selfish in this earth, in this century, God damn, nobody give a shit about you. They replace everything. They replace your world. They create your world. They create your environment. They create your personality. They know your personality already, everything. Because you provide them on the social media, you provide them your birthday, you provide where you are, you provide your hobbies, you provide them your what you like, everything about you, information. That's shit, man. So when they know what you like, they can provide you what you need. But you have to work to get money to get it. Because they just want money from you. They just want to make money. So that's why if you want those things from them, provide for everything that you want, you gotta work your ass off. You gotta work like slave. I'm not here to, I'm not here to make you paranoid. I'm just make myself paranoid a little bit. But it's all good. You have to work. You have to work like forever to get what you want, you need from them. They create that stuff that you don't even need it. But you have to work to get money, and the money to buy the thing that they create for you. That's why we have to go out to nature. Nature always free. Nature always provides you everything you need. I'm saying that not because I want to stay out of the matrix. I'm still in it. I cannot get out of it. I'm still a bot and trying to become a user. trying to control my own shit. And how to do it, I'm going to get more information and then make more videos for you guys. I'm still living it with, you know, I'm saying that not because I don't want that. I'm still using everything they make because I deserve it, you know. The cars, the house, everything. But not because I have those things that I depend on them. I have it because I deserve it, not because I'm trying to work myself off to get it. It's like it's come when you that's why I'm always tell you that you gotta focus on yourself. Just like I will say so many times, man. Focus on yourself and then everything comes to you. You're a magnet of your life. You are fully control of your life. Take care of yourself. See you in next videos. And I'm your chosen one, but I'm not the only one. See you on next video. Peace. That's a gift. This is a gift for you.